Mustang Coupe. All right, so we're back with seatbelts on because that's what we do, right?
You'll be very appreciative of the seatbelt here in a minute.
I used to drive in a Toyota 4Runner in Azusa Canyon off-roading, so I feel like I've got a little bit of experience. Not with you driving, mind you.
Right. Your own self driving, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It feels a little scarier, right, when you're not driving? Or do you think it's better with driving?
Well, depending on your operator ability.
My operator ability. Operator ability, that's not easy to say. All right, so we're in line.
So when we get here, I'll start rolling with my story, and we can interact that way.
We're going to interact that way.
Hey, P.
See, MustangMedic kind of like shows the behind-the-scenes stuff too.
Yeah, I got
all the time. That's what we do. Guess how many videos I've got online? You'll never guess.
I couldn't.
Well, you don't know who I am for Adam, so
for one, guess. I don't know who it is. Number two, I
didn't expect you to know me.
It's got,
just for record.
10,000, 20,000. It's all good.
10,000 videos? Oh, he's the first guy to guess more. I've done 7,400 videos. You hear that, Rob?
You weren't doing enough.
Yeah, I wasn't doing enough.
You're not pushing her enough.
Oh.
Hey, you guys, welcome to Camp Jeep. My name's Steve. I'll be your operator. We're going to take a spin in our 2019 newly redesigned JL. This is Jeep Wrangler Rubicon.
Well, this isn't easy keeping a steady cam.
Rubicon, yeah, your steady cam arms get a workout here.
This is cool.
So down the stairs we go. We've got 10.8 inches of ground clearance at the rear diff. Coil springs and gas charged shocks for the rest of the setup. Solid axles front and rear. Frame built, body on. All right, 3.6 liter Pentastar motor, 200.
Frame built, body on?
Yep.
I didn't know that. Go ahead. Sorry.
285 horsepower, 260 foot-pounds of torque. Nice
Oh,
and easy.
this is like straight up.
Down the other side we go. I'm going to hit this button. Technology is a wonderful thing. It's called hill descent.
Hill descent?
When I go off the back,
can you stop right here?
No, the car's going to brake itself.
Okay.
Okay. I'm not on the gas or the brake.
I wanted you guys to see this. This is not. I'm keeping the camera level, and this is the angle we're on right now. Just going straight towards 30 degrees, straight towards the concrete.
All right.
I'm going to turn the camera around.
So four-wheel is done there. It's a four-wheel low feature only.
Can you pause for one moment?
Sure.
All right, here you go. I'm going to turn the camera around, and then we're going to go back.
Got the car right behind. I got you. So get your steady cam arms on.
All right, here we go.
This is a little bumpy. All right.
Oh man!
And now we're going to step up on my 30-degree bank.
We're in a 30-degree bank now.
And with the radius, you're going to be about 25
Wow,
degrees.
this is pretty intense. It didn't look as this intense until you're in it.
Well, that's why
That's why you're taking me?
That's why we asked you to come in and rock and roll with us.
I appreciate that.
All right, so up and over and side to side on the
going up top.
All right.
All right.
So here we go.
Oh, you got a director too. Look at that.
Well, all good four-wheelers have guides.
You're right. You're right.
And then back down to the other side.
Whoa, guys, this is cool.
Okay, so the JL's all new design, new hood, steel bumpers fore and aft, winch accessible on the front. It's got the vents on the side in front of the driver cabin to let fresh air in. We've got a flat gas cap, rock rails. This one is a three-piece molded hard top. You can take the whole top off, leave the back on, take the tops off, whatever. 8.4-inch heads-up screen for all of your controls. So this one's even got heated seats, heated steering wheel in it, nav. Nav, and so we can spin it around right here in the block. You know where you are. Phone, Bluetooth enabled. All your controls for your phone are on the steering wheel.
Wow, the Jeep has gone high tech, man.
So yeah, this is not a CJ by any stretch of the imagination.
Wait, I gotta say something about that. I rode a CJ7 in Mexico, and it was an adventure. And this, I don't know how to explain it. How do you compare it to a CJ7? You said it.
So Camp Jeep, I mean, this is the brand new JL. So this is the 2019 version of what CJ started as, right? And so technology and all of those things are our friend. So this is actually cool. If you look at the dash and the hood, see how flat they are?
Yep.
I've got a sway bar disconnect here. It gives me about 27% more wheel travel in the front axle. So this tire's hanging down. This back one on my side's all pushed up, vice versa on the other side. I've got all four tires on the ground.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Traction to all four, right?
Yeah.
So we're super stable, and that's what four-wheeling is all about. Be stable, have traction.
Anybody experienced knows that, yeah.
Right. And so The good thing about here at the Philly Auto Show is we have 4 minutes of fun going around on a 4-wheel drive track, and we can show people the capability of not only the Wrangler, but I've got a Cherokee, a Compass,
Yep.
and the Grand Cherokee out here playing.
Boom, there it is, guys. Come out and go for a ride, because this is fun. It looked really kind of mellow to me, but it's not. When you're in it and experiencing it, it's quite a vehicle. Go Jeep.
Thanks, Will.
We take the frustration